Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore shadows while keeping highlights using DaVinci Resolve curves step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Select the clip you want to work on in the timeline. Navigate to the color workspace at the bottom of the interface. On the right side, you'll find the Curves panel. Click on the Curves panel to open the curve editor. You will see a grid with a diagonal line representing the tonal range of your image. To restore shadows, click on the lower part of the curve and drag it down gently. Make sure to pull only the shadow regions, avoiding the midtones and highlights. You can watch the image in the viewer to see the changes in real time. To keep the highlights intact, click on the upper part of the curve and gently lift it upwards. This adjustment should enhance shadow detail without affecting the bright areas. If necessary, refine your adjustments by clicking and dragging various points along the curve. Use the input and output values indicated on the axis to guide your adjustments. Once you have achieved the desired look, evaluate the overall balance of the image. You can toggle the before and after view to compare changes. If satisfied, proceed to the next clip or move on to further color grading tasks. Save your project to preserve your adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.